Crane Sentry has become known in the overhead bridge crane market for its versatility, quality, and cost effectiveness. Crane Sentry provides collision detection and restricted zone monitoring for overhead bridge cranes. Crane Sentry Lite is the newest addition to the Crane Sentry family. The Crane Sentry Lite model provides basic entry-level crane-to-crane and crane-to-wall collision detection, but with a more versatile set of features than competitive products on the market. Each system is supplied complete with a controller that is mounted on the bridge near the drive controls, rugged industrial laser distance sensors with quick connect cables, and a heavy-duty bracket. The Crane Sentry Lite has several competitive advantages that separate us from others in the marketplace. Firstly, we are a measurement system, not a proximity sensor. That means you actually enter the limits, not teach positions. And on the screen, under normal operation, you will see the actual values being measured with the Crane Sentry in real time. Another important differentiator is that we can make a selection between minimum and maximum operating modes. For example, if you wish to provide protection to end stops on both ends of a runway with a single crane, you can use a Crane Sentry Lite with a one laser, have one limit set to a minimum value, and the other set to a maximum value. In this case, our system performs the work of two of the nearest competitors' units. Please contact us to discuss your application so we can recommend the best Crane Sentry model for you. We have other models in the Crane Sentry family that offer other capabilities. With our Crane Sentry standard version, we can do up to a 1,640-foot bay for continuous monitoring. We can also monitor aisleways in facilities for safety issues. We can measure applications where you have faster cranes and you need more speed. And lastly, we can do applications where you need zoning around machines, buildings, work centers, or any other area in your plant that you do not want a crane to go into. Thank you for watching.